The global cloud industry is evolving at an unprecedented pace, driving innovation and transforming how business operates. At Ingram Micro, we are not just keeping up with these changes, we are leading the way by leveraging cutting-edge technologies and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. We are positioning ourselves at the forefront of this digital revolution. Joining us now means being part of the future-focused organization that is setting the standards for the industry. Working with our cloud services team is a great experience. Our global scale allows us to tackle complex technical projects that challenge and grows our skills every day. We are a diverse, inclusive team, bringing together the best minds from around the world to solve the most pressing cloud challenges. It's an environment where innovation thrives and every team member's contribution is valued. Our team is expanding rapidly, creating a wealth of opportunities for new members to make a significant impact. As we grow, we remain committed to fostering an environment where everyone can contribute to meaningful projects and drive positive change. This is your chance to be part of a dynamic and fast-growing team that is making a real difference in the cloud industry. Thriving at Ingram Micro means embracing the challenge of building and growing a global cloud services organization. It's about navigating complex, ever-changing landscapes and finding innovative solutions to drive our mission forward. The opportunity to shape the future of cloud services on a global scale is both demanding and immensely rewarding. Every day presents a new challenge, pushing us to excel and innovate in different ways.